each video is going to be like 50 minutes.
No, it'll only be for the bit that I teach at the beginning. It won't be the whole lesson. Doesn't need to be on for the whole lesson, does it? Right, okay. Did anybody start on this one?
Yep.
Tell me what you did.
Just record it now.
Yeah, it's recording now. Yeah, you just need to ignore it.
Okay. I did pi times 7 squared. And then times the answer by 20.
Okay, so you started off and you did pi times 7 squared and multiplied by 20. And what did that give you?
The whole number or just what I wrote down?
Okay, tell me what that gave you as an answer.
2078.
2078.
3078.
Which one?
The answer is 2078.
3078 centimetres cubed. So what, you give me that sum, but what's that actually for? The cylinder. Okay, so for the volume of the cylinder, you've got 3078. So what did you do next? That's all you did. Well, okay, it says that T&U are a DIY retailer. They're changing the dimensions of their cans of paint from cylinders to cuboids. So normally when you buy a can of paint, it's in that shape. Happy? And you've worked out the volume of that shape to be 3078 centimetres cubed. Because that's the diameter. You've taken the radius of 7, so you've done pi times radius squared times the height of the can. You've got 3078. Happy so far? Okay. So they want to change the shape of their cans to be cuboids, but they need to be able to fit the same amount of paint into here as they could fit in here. So what they're saying is the volume of this needs to be the same as the volume of this. So how would I work out the volume of this cuboid? Let's say instead of having that there, let's say I said that that was 10 centimetres. How would you work out the volume of that? Just 14 times 10. Okay, you'd find the area of the cross section first of all, so that's the shape running through. So you'd say 14 times 14, and then you'd multiply that by the height of the shape, wouldn't you? Happy? So let's go back to the fact it's x, so it's going to be 14 times 14 times x. Does that make sense? Okay, so what is 14 times 14? 196. So now you know that the volume of the cuboid is 196 times something centimetre cubed. And we've got to work out what that something is. Now when we've worked it out, the volume of the cylinder and the volume of the cuboid are going to be the same. So it's going to be 196x is equal to 3078. Would you take it away? What are you doing to the 196 and the x? Times in them. Brilliant. So you would divide. So if you divide 3078 by 196, that will tell you how high that needs to be. How many? 15. It says to 2 decimal places. So 15.70. 15.70 centimetres high. Does that make sense? Yeah?